Ms. Evans, you're recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you, sir. Chairman Neugebauer, Ranking Member Clay, and members of the subcommittee, thank you for inviting me here today. My name is Diane Evans, and I am Vice President with Land Title Guarantee Company in Denver, Colorado. Along with my day job, I serve as the President of the American Land Title Association. ALTA is a national trade association that represents the abstractors, settlement service providers, and title industry across the United States. ALTA has more than 5,500 member companies, ranging from small one-person operations to large publicly traded companies. Our industry employs more than 108,000 professionals, and we have offices in every county in this United States. I'm happy to be here today to discuss how overregulation is affecting our industry, our members, and our consumers. As you know, the Dodd-Frank Act required the CFPB to combine the disclosures required under the Truth in Lending Act and the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act into a single TILA-RESPA form, which we commonly call TRID. The Bureau started this process back in 2011, and we implement these new disclosures on August 1st, 107 days from today. We know that the ultimate purpose of TRID is to help consumers better understand their real estate transaction, and that's extremely important to our members who are sitting across from home buyers while we're sitting here today. Our three primary concerns include, first, our experience in implementing regulation tells us that there will be unforeseen issues once we start using these forms in actual real transactions. To assist with this process, ALTA requests that the CFPB publicly commit to a hold harmless period of enforcement from August 1st through the end of the year. I thank Chairman Neugebauer and Congressman Luetkemeyer for their leadership in asking CFPB Director Cordray for that hold harmless period, and I request that the rest of the subcommittee follow that lead. A hold harmless period in the first few months allows industry to adapt their business processes to comply with the regulation without fear of enforcement action or potential class action lawsuits. It allows us to focus on our business, our customer, and the consumer. Second, this new regulation prohibits the industry from disclosing an actual cost of a title insurance policy purchased by the consumer at the closing. Consumers will be confused because of the government-mandated form will disclose different prices than the actual cost that that consumer will pay at the closing table. They will be unable to shop using accurate cost analysis. The Bureau should resolve this issue by requiring us to disclose what the actual title insurance premium is on each transaction as required in each individual state. Finally, a 2012 service provider bulletin, which was issued by the CFPB, continues to cause uncertainty in the marketplace for our members. Unlike the CFPB, other federal regulators have provided helpful guidance so that businesses understand how to manage the risks associated with third-party service providers. Lenders are left without this clear guidance on the appropriate risk management procedures that they need for their title and settlement service providers in this industry. In 2012, due to the lack of that additional guidance, ALTA developed the Title Insurance and Settlement Company Best Practices. These were created to help our members highlight policies and procedures that our industry exercises to protect lenders and consumers while ensuring a positive and compliant real estate transaction. To improve the way the CFPB works with and provides information to businesses, I urge Congress to pass H.R. 1195 as soon as possible. Thank you to Congressman Pittenger and Heck for their leadership in sponsoring this bipartisan legislation that establishes a small business advisory board at the CFPB. It provides those open and formal channels of communication from CFPB staff in this industry. I appreciate the opportunity to be here and look forward to serving as a resource and answering questions for you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Shaw, you're recognized for 5 minutes.
Chairman Neugebauer, Ranking Member